Is your bounce rate higher than you'd like? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, visitors decide within seconds whether to stay or leave. Short attention spans are the new norm. If your page loads slowly, starts with a wall of text, or doesn't grab attention right away, people will click away. Just look at this example. Long paragraphs, no visuals, and slow loading. A recipe for high bounce rates. Users leave quickly because they have endless options. They're scanning, not reading. If they don't see value in the first 8 to 10 seconds, they'll find another site. To keep visitors engaged, hook them early with a headline that speaks to their needs. Break your content into short paragraphs and clear subheadings. Use bullet points and visuals for quick scanning. Keep your site loading fast and distraction-free. And most importantly, add interactive elements. With nuclear engagement, you can instantly turn your posts into interactive experiences by adding AI-generated quizzes. Here's how. Simply open Nuclear Engagement, click Generate Quiz, and place it where you want, like at the end of your article. This resets the reader's attention and keeps them on your page longer. In my own tests, well-formatted posts with quizzes kept visitors on page about 40% longer. The difference in bounce rate? Night and day. Remember, grab attention fast, keep it easy to read, and use nuclear engagement to add that interactive spark that makes visitors stay.